Hi everybody, hey, thanks for joining us today. I'm Mike Halloran from Halloran Mower Works. Just wanted to show you the 2021 Gravely EV Series mower. So this is the new battery powered, no gas engine, no pollution, removable batteries mower that you've all heard so much about. You see the one battery sitting in front of me here on the floor. There's actually 4 batteries in the back of the unit. I'll show you those in a minute when we come around. Real quick, I'm just going to show you how this thing runs. I release the parking brake, I pull my levers down, and then forward, reverse. Very quiet. That's all the noise it makes while driving. When I start the blades up right here, the switch is on my right. And that's it. Driving around, we can sneak up on somebody if we wanted to. It's as quiet as a golf cart. The mower itself, commercially built, 5-year warranty. As you can see here, the deck spindle is built in on the unit. This is our electric motor right here. Below that, there's a spindle below the deck. That spindle is replaceable separately from the electric motor, and there's a slip clutch in between the two, meaning that if you were to hit a stump, that you're not going to destroy the expensive electric motor, it's just going to slip that clutch. So they've really thought of a lot of heavy-duty features to put in these machines. The frame itself, 2.5-inch box section, big heavy-duty commercial, rebar on the edge of the deck to keep it so that they don't wear it while rubbing concrete. Heavy-duty oversized front tires right here. This is our platform where you sit, where you rest your feet, and underneath there you can see how clean that deck is. So there's no springs under there, there's no belts, there's no idler pulleys, anything like that to wear out. We've just got the 3 blades, 3 spindles, and the wires to power them. That's it. That's the whole layout. As far as the height of cut, when you're sitting on the machine, this is the pedal that you can use to lift the deck, and this peg here, and you can see the different measurements. So we've got this adjustable by 1/4-inch increments, all the way from 5 inches down to 1.5 inches for cutting. Very simple, just to lower the deck with your foot. We come around here, we've got a suspension seat. Where you've got the armrest on the other side, and it's got a suspension, so this moves up and down about 2 to 3 inches as you sit on it. The dash panel itself is here on the right-hand. Once we turn the key on, we get this home screen from there. That tells me my battery. So this shows me that I have 4 batteries in place. My least powerful one right now is a 64%, and the best battery is a 70. Not a big deal. As the unit runs, it draws power from all 4 batteries at the same time. As I change over here on the control on the dashboard, one more click. This shows me I've got a check mark. That shows me all systems are green, good to go. Next one here just gives me operational. It tells me my parking brake is on and if there was any trouble, and just a general overview. At the bottom here, that's my hour meter. That tells me how many hours the unit's been running. When it goes into the dealer can plug it into a larger computer and he can check how many hours the blades have been on, what type of load they put on it, a lot of details that you probably don't need to know on a day-to-day basis, but might be helpful on some occasions. Now this box back here, this is actually where our charge port is. So the mower comes with batteries and it comes with a charger. That charger is just in your garage, or you can mount it to the inside of your trailer. And then you just open this lid and you would plug it in right here, and that's where you're gonna get your power. It'll take 12 hours to recharge all 4 batteries to 100%, but you can do that overnight when the guys are home, everybody's sleeping, so there's really no worries if when you come in tomorrow morning you're ready to rock. On the back of the machine, you see there's no engine. This is set up just very clean, very sleek. Underneath the hood, that's where we have the batteries. So as I open it right here, that's our 4 battery packs right there. As soon as I open the hood, the unit goes out of service. It just shut down. That was that last chirp you heard. And the batteries are just setting here right now. As I push this button, 4 lights come on. What that tells me is that my battery is 66%. But just like a cell phone, you know how much you've got in. These are lithium-ion batteries, just like a Tesla. The batteries just pop right out, so you just grab it, pull it out. These weigh in at right about 50 pounds, so it's about the same as a 2-year-old kid. Drop it right back in, slap the hood down, you're back in service, okay? If we needed to, we could run, sorry about that. If we needed to, we could run on 2 batteries. Let's say the other 2 were on a charger or something like that, or 3 batteries. But we need a minimum of 2 in the unit at any time to run. This side of the unit, you see on the other fender, we've got another switch. This switch shows me turtle and rabbit. When I go to high speed, I'm topped out at 11 miles per hour. I can still cut grass at that. Or low speed for deeper grass and quality cut situations, we're going to be running at 8 miles an hour maximum. This little thing here, open this up, that's your charge port. So you can plug your cell phone right in or whatever you need to for a fast charge on that as you go. Okay. The armrest in the seat, everything is built for your comfort. It's as quiet as can be, very little vibration. Noise-wise, you'll find that this machine, from 100 feet away, you really can't hear this machine operating, even with the blades on and cutting. Where if you had a larger 60-inch gasoline-powered mower, about 350 feet away, you could still hear all that noise. So this is much quieter, much easier on the environment, and we've eliminated all your belts, all your oil changes, all your air filter changes. So it's a pretty nice unit to go with. Well, everybody, thanks for joining us today. That's your once over on the Gravely EV Series mower. This is available with the 60-inch deck. Next year, 2022, we're expecting to see it with the stand-on models. So that'll be the Pro Stance stand-ons, but in a battery version. And that'll be available on a 48, a 52, or a 60-inch deck. So again, thanks for joining us. Check us out at halloranpower.com or mowerworks.com. Hope to see you in the store soon.